Hi, class. I do hope that you had a wonderful break and you are ready to come back and get started with Calculus 3. I wanted to say congratulations to all of you for making it through Calculus 2. Like I've said so many different times before, Calculus 2 is the most difficult in the sequence, so you have made it over that huge mountain and you are on the downhill slide now. So you have Calc 3, and I hope you're going to take differential equations this summer. We're going to pick up with Calc 3 where we left off last semester with Calc 2. So using the same book. Hopefully you didn't have any questions about that, because I had talked about that a little bit, that the book would be good for all three courses. So unfortunately, my surgery is going to keep me out for the whole 6 weeks, which means 6 weeks from date of surgery. The doctor said I can come back to work on Monday the 23rd, so I will miss the first 2 weeks with you all. I do apologize for that, and I have spent quite a bit of time over break trying to design some things to put online. We're going to start off with Chapter 11. We're going to cover some of the sections that are a little bit easier to cover, and then once I get back, we will finish it out. Some of it is graphing polars, and the polar graphs are they're not difficult, but they're a little bit complicated to try to do in an online setting. I think it'll go a lot faster and a lot better if I do that once I get there, where I can throw the graph up and point and mark it up. So we're going to do some of the easier stuff first. I wanted to just point out a couple things. First of all, underneath the Getting Started tab in Blackboard, you have your syllabus, and the syllabus will walk you through the basics, and there's a few important dates in there that you need to note, and I have a short quiz for you to do on the syllabus this time, since I won't be there to cover that. I just want to make sure that you've read over the syllabus and you have found the important dates and some of the important announcements in there. There's also an instructor introduction. You can read that if you want to. I think all of you know who I am. I don't believe we had any newcomers. If we do, then hello, and I'm sorry I missed you on the roster. Underneath course content, that's where you're going to want to go to get started. So you will click the Start Here button, and this will all begin. As you can see, this will all start January 9th at 8 a.m. So this will start just as class starts. So if you didn't see it before, that's why. The first thing that you're going to do is a syllabus quiz. There's only 4 questions. I scored it at 50 points, just to try to give you a boost on your quiz points on the first day. And it is all online, and it should self-grade, so it shouldn't have any issues there. And then the other thing I wanted you to do was just do a short student introduction, and that's just a discussion board. So I thought it might be good to see how break went for all of you, and see if you have any questions at all or any concerns as we move into Calc 3. For example, if a job is going to take you away for a week at some point or something like that, feel free to email me, or you can put that in your introduction. So anything that may be weighing on your mind, you can put that in there, or like I said, shoot me an email if it's a little bit more private. Also underneath course content, I have the Chapter 11 stuff, and like I said, this will all open just as class opens. So underneath the Chapter 11, you will see broken down day by day. So today is Monday, January 9th. I want you to do the syllabus stuff and the introduction. So I figured that would be good enough to kind of get you started. And then after that, we have on Tuesday, January 10th, Chapter 11 introduction. So just to kind of get you started thinking about the content for Chapter 11, I want you to look up 2 things. First of all, what's a parametric curve? And then also, what is the difference between a Cartesian and a parametric equation? And then post your answer in that discussion board. And that discussion board is a discussion board that will force you to post first. So you can't just say the same thing as your classmates over and over again.